In this video, I will show you how to allow others to save your snaps in chat on Snapchat. First of all, launch open the Snapchat app. Now, you want to tap on the chat icon at the bottom of your screen, then open your conversation. You can open whichever you want, then tap on the username at the top. Now tap on the three dots. From here, tap on the option of chat and notification settings. Once you get here, tap on the option of delete chats. Make sure that you have selected 7 days after viewing over here. This ensures the message don't disappear immediately. Next, in the same settings, you want to tap on keep snaps in chat option and then toggle this option on. Once you toggle it on, the snaps will stay in the chat for up to 24 hours after being viewed instead of disappearing instantly. Now, when you or the other person sends a snap, you can tap on the message to save it or press and hold on the snap and tap save in chat. Once saved, the snap will stay visible in the conversation. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.